Kaya nga, walang poster. Hello, love again. Ano ako eh? Hello, love again and again. Ano?
I'm here at Universal Studios
Oh, wow.
on the set of Wicked, ready to talk to John M. Chu about taking this film from stage to the big screen.
I was really lucky
All
because
for
I
us.
saw the show before it was ever on Broadway.
Vince, walang tao.
And
Tayong dalawa lang.
I remember, because I knew nothing about it,
Look,
walking into that
it's just
theater,
the two
being
of us.
blown away. I was already putting the pieces together like this.
So ganda.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man.
Inulit-ulit talaga.
Nais kong malaman mo.
Maganda ba, kuya?
Daw showing. Pati daw dito showing.
Sino sabi? Parang ganun na. Ang ganda dito, ang laki. Wow, nice. Ang laki-laki ng sinihan nila. Oh, wow. Big screen, big sound. Mas malaki nga to, bigger.
Sa ano? Saga.
Sa Niagara, maliit lang. Pero parang ganito rin yung feel, pero sobrang laki to. Wow! Wow! Lamig. Yung scooter. Oh, shit! Woo! Ganda. Hold this one. Wow. Saan tayo? Dito tayo.